back to the CS class. Okay, today we are going to see the topic is features of print function. Yes, from chapter 2. Yes, you know about that. What does mean print function? Yes, what is the use of print function? It is used to display the output on the screen. Yes, so now we are going to learn the features of the print functions. Okay, see, listen. This is the one example. The first point of the features of print function, it auto converts the values. It auto converts the item of the values in the print function. What does mean by auto converts? If it is a numeric value, it automatically converts the equivalent string and it will display the message. If it is a numeric expression, it will evaluate the value, then it will print the result. Are you clear about this? The first point is what it is? It is auto converts. What does means? If it is a numeric value, it will automatically convert to the equivalent string and it will print the output on the screen. Okay. If it is a numeric expression, for example, what is the function we have given? Print function in the quotes sum of 2 and 3, comma 2 plus 3. So what does means 2 plus 3? Here it is a numeric expression. Yes. Am I right? So it evaluates the value, then it will print the result. So first it will evaluate the value. So what we have given in the string format, sum of 2 and 3. So it will print the result is what? Sum of 2 and 3 is. Okay. So what is the value? 2 plus 3? 5. Okay, so it will evaluate the numeric value, the expression, and it will print the result. Okay, we will see the next example. Print function, the codes we have specified, my name is Amit. Okay, so by default, in the print function, by default, separate value is there. Separate. What does means? See, listen, separate means it will add a single space between the item of the function. Item of the strings. It will add a space between the item of the function. If you have not mentioned the separate value, it will automatically take the value space between the value of the print function. So what is the output of this? How it will print? See, listen. My in between it will automatically add space. So my space name space is Amit. So are you clear about this? So the second point is the print function, it will automatically take the value separator. Take the value, it is a what? Separator. It is a single space between the item of the functions. Between the item of the functions. Are you clear about this? Okay. Next we will see the separator using another variable. See, we have mentioned the separator function. Here we have used just slash symbol for that in between the values. Okay, so how it will print the value? My hyphen name hyphen is hyphen Amit. Can you identify the difference between that both of them? Yes, see, listen. Here we have not specified the separator value. So the Python will automatically take the separator function and it will provide a single space between the item of the value and the print function. Okay. So here we have specified the separator value as a slash. So it will take the slash value and it will include between the items too. Are you clear about this? Okay. The third point is new line character. What does mean by new line character? It is a \n. So Python, it will automatically add a new line character at the end of the print statement. For example, it will read the code print function first. Print my name is Amit. So the cursor automatically will move to the next line. Print I am a 16 years old. Okay, so it have a new line character at the end of the print statement. So it will print the next line on the next line, next function on the next line. Are you clear about this? So it have a new line character at the end of the print statement. Okay, the next statement, next feature is what means it have a end function. If you want to print a new the line on the same line, if you want to print the line on the same line means you can add a end character and specify the character what you want to print. See, listen, print my name is Ami. From the end, we have specified the symbol. So listen, first it will read the code. What will display the message? What it will display the message? My name is Amit. Next it will print the sign up. Okay, then the control automatically will print the same line because we have added a end. We have added a end at the end of the first line. So it will not take the new line character. It will not take the new line character. For example, if we have not specified the end means it will automatically print the I am a 16 years old, the line on the next line. On the next line. Are you clear about this? So these are the features of print function. I will explain again. See, listen, the first point is auto converts. Auto converts the strings in Python. That means whatever you have specified in the print function, first it automatically converted into the equivalent string. Then it will print the output on the screen. Okay. So for example, if it is a numeric expression for 2 plus 3. So whatever you have specified in the double quotes, it will print as it is. Yes, that you know about. So 2 plus 3, the numeric function, it will evaluate the first and then it will print the values. Okay. The second point is, in Python will have a print function, it will have automatically the separator value. By default, it has the separator value space. Okay. If you have not specified the separator value on the print function means it will automatically take the space between the value of the print function. Are you clear about this? The next one is here you can add the separator value whatever you need. You can specify the separator equal to within the single quotes. You can specify the any character here. The next feature is the Python has automatically have the end of the line have a new line character. It will read the first line, then it will bring the cursor, it automatically will move to the next line. So if you want to add a end character on a line means you have to use the end here at the end of the print statement. End equal to within the single quotes you have to specify the character or any symbol what you need. That means it will read the end of the character. The next line also it will print the 16 years old. The same line. So for example, here I have added one more statement. Print 11th class. So automatically, can you say the last print statement, it will print on the same line on the next line? Yes, correct. It will print on the next line because we have not added the end character here. Automatically, it have a new line character. So the control will move to the next line. So it will print 11th class. Are you clear about this? So these are all the features of print function in Python. Okay, next we will see in the next class. Thank you, students.